Imogen, come here.
Can you make a... Well done, Agatha. Sounds. Can you do it? Can I hear you? Good job! 4. Frog. Can you make a sound? Can I hear you? Good job. For elephant. Hello, Big Ones. Welcome back. Today is a special video because we're doing an unboxing. Yeah. Whose name is that?
Imogen.
It is. So it says Imogen and Agatha. Is this a box for you?
Yes, Agatha.
We were gifted this from the Bear Can Read Company. So thank you.
Thank you. Open me quick.
Open me quick. Are you ready?
You want to open it?
You want to open all this stuff? This is what's inside. Oh wow! Then there's a book. And then there's a book. And what are these? Do you know what these are, Imogen? They're
Some pencils in it.
they're pencil cases. And we've got this beautiful book by Matt Barnett and John Classen. What else did we get?
We want to some pencils.
We can put some pencils in. Oh my gosh, we've got a whole pack as well, Imogen. Look, there's so much in here. So much. Right. Let's have a look. It says, Dear Imogen and Agatha, welcome to your first teddy box. So this is a teddy box from them. And these, we're going to get some pencils to go in them. It says, Just Right Reading. So it's really good because in it you get 2 books. And they're both beautiful books.
We want to draw.
You want to draw? You want to draw? This one is fantastic if you want to learn your shapes. You've got squares, triangles, and the illustrations are beautiful. And this one for all you cheese lovers. And they're such fun, vibrant pictures. Whoever brings me the biggest cheese, announced the king, will win a golden cheese board. Wow, who likes cheese in our family?
Me.
You like cheese. We're going to open our pack now. Are you ready, Imogen? Okay, what should we do first? We're going to do this one first. We're going to learn how to draw shapes. So we follow. Can you see the arrows? To draw our shapes. Do you know what shape Mummy's drawn? Do you know what shape that is?
We're not sure.
It's a square.
It's a square.
I've drawn a square. Imogen's coloured. What's that? You've coloured a... Well done. And what shape's this? It is a star. Well, Imogen's shape. You did these, didn't you? And now she wants to colour them in. So, it says on, under, in. Look at the pictures below. And we're going to work out where the bear is. So here we go. So the bear is, that word says on the bed. Can you see where the bear is? Where's the bear? It's on. So, it says draw yourself on the bed. Can you draw yourself on the bed? Can you draw yourself like the bear under the bed? Oh, that's good. We have Imogen on the bed, Imogen and Agatha under the bed, and Imogen on the bed. What's the last one? What's the last one? What do you think it is? Hearts. Well done.
all done.
And it's all done, isn't it? Gosh, you're so clever.
Yeah.
Just completed her pattern. So our next activity sheet is Where Am I? And it says, can you spot the bear under the chair? So that's what we're going to do. So can you spot the bear under the chair? Is that one under?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. So we have a bear that's sitting, so it's on. A bear standing, that's on. And a bear under. So we're going to circle. Can you put a big circle? Ooh, bear! Well done. And all of us. Can you do yours? Can you go meow? Meow. Meow. We're going to do Sally's party. So we're going to put little faces on all our shapes. And then we're going to cut them out and put them on our birthday scene. That's it. And then 2 eyes. And that shape's a crescent. That's 1 eye. And that's another eye. Well done. And that's a crescent moon shape.
Middle nose. No.
You did draw a nose. So we've cut out all our shapes. I'm going to stick them down and make our party. So here we are. Happy birthday, Sally. Sally is a, do you know what shape she is? Can you find another square? Can you find another square? That's it. That's her friend.
Good
What do you think of Sally's party?
Good.
With all her friends?
Yeah.
Mummy's made a triangle. Can you do it? Can you make a triangle? Thank you very much to the Bear Can Read. We really, really love this book. And what letter is this? What letter is that? Good job. So we have for frog. And can you remember what this one is? For elephant. Imogen, what was your favourite or is our favourite? It's a great sound, isn't it? So that was our favourite in the box. We love the F. Bye, bookworm! Why don't you have a go at saying